Hi everyone, welcome back. This is our first lab on VPC, and in this lab we are going to create our custom VPC. We'll also create a public and private subnet. So let's get started. Right now I am on the AWS console homepage. We can either type in VPC in the text box and select it from here, or we can go to services drop down here and can select VPC from networking and content delivery section. Okay, so we'll click VPC link here, and here we are on the VPC dashboard. As you can see here, we already have one VPC, we have one route table, we have one security group, one internet gateway, 3 subnets, 1 network ACL. So all this VPC, security group and internet gateways and everything that has been created when we registered for our account. We'll first take a look at these before moving ahead with creation of VPC. So here you can see this is the VPC that has been created when we have created our account, and it says default VPC. And with the default VPC, there should be one subnet on each of the availability zone of that region. Right now I am on Oregon. Oregon has 3 availability zones, so I have 3 subnets here. I already have one route table, and this route table has a route for local traffic, and it also has a route through internet gateway. And if you see, all the subnets are implicitly associated with this particular route table. So all these subnets are public subnets. And then we have one internet gateway which is attached to the default VPC. And then we have one network access control list which should be allowing all inbound and outbound traffic. And then we have one default security group for the default VPC, which should be allowing all inbound traffic from the same security group, and it should allow all outbound traffic from originating from the security group.